right, well, the talk no they finish for inside this issue of insecurity. Some people say now where people escape from inside Kuje and the other things we follow happen, say they feel hide body for gardens we like say don't close before. Say all these things they tie join for those with the Abuja. But some people say bacha, some people say different things now in this so. And security now, it can't be like say it don't pass the one way we go talk say now for one side they work before. Now it can't be like say when you want judge whether true things they go right or well, they say now the headway stand well, now you go carry load, enter market, see the market sell well. We don't carry Barrister Victor Giwa join us for Insta Studio in full title. So me now you arrange and put.
Yes, so Barrister Victor Giwa now the advocate for people's rights and justice. Special welcome to you, Oga, for the show.
Thank you very much.
All right, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
It's okay. Plus the afternoon, plus the
afternoon,
evening, plus the night.
All joy. All joy we day for you. May we start on to this issue of leadership crisis. Some say if you know book, you know book. When they bring exam, come meet you for either for night or for money, you go pass the exam. But the issue of leadership now, when it comes to exam, what would they give to select people who will be our leaders? If like say the one where Somi go give us exam, say I like this candidate, I don't like this one. It's different from the one where I feel select. The one where you go select go different. And the company like say when people want judge who will be better leader, they're confusing somehow. Make I ask you. For example, this issue of leadership along the lines of security. Say, this person sabi work onto security. I get one thing where they tell us that time. They say, President Muhammadu Buhari na retired general. Say, no, forget, the matter don't solve. We'll start on to leadership in terms of area of insecurity. How specific reasons say idea will come to resolve those kind of things?
Femi, thank you very much. You see, this question where you ask, they're very important. And short, this question where you ask, might be the whole problem where Nigeria they face now. The issue of leadership, which means who go fit lead us, who go fit guide us, who know road. Might be the issue. Who know road. So what would they look for 2023? Now person we know road, we go fit show us road for our economy, for issue of insecurity, for issue of welfare, for issue of employment. So person will know how to do the thing. Now, so how you would know person with no road? A person we don't work out come reach somewhere. Where the person come from, which you don't do before. Our people talk say, if you don't know where they go, may you know where they come from. Because everybody they come from somewhere. Before I reach here, so they come from somewhere. So the problem is say, people will know what we call them, say they be leader. The only way to know say they be leader is to see what they don't do for the past. Say, oh, see what they don't do for the past, so they don't solve problem. But you see, a lot of us, they use the wrong thing to judge person way no road. The easiest way to judge person, to know person way no road now, it's very simple. That is for you to show person road there. You don't need oracle. You don't need native doctor me play oracle for you. Just give the person simple thing, make him do. The way the person do will let you know, say, this person no road. You understand? So you go look for the person. What did the person don't do before? What did the person don't do yesterday? What did the person don't do last week? What did the person even do for in house?
What did they do for house now?
What did they do for house now? I think they solve now that place you could know say this person no road.
So as Somi go ask a question small time now, this is the way you say no road, because road where they go follow. For according to Nigerian Constitution and inside Federal Republic of Nigeria, they talk and say anybody we want to do president, you go get minimum qualification where you go get, go bring your book, come outside, we go know whether you get primary school, whether you get secondary school. I mean, nobody saw the Constitution talk about. That way he reach to know through whether person gets sense we can know road, or he gets sense to read road, or gets sense to find road for inside Nigeria.
Okay, see, 19 where the Constitution see be that. If you know say, the Constitution talks say anybody will want to be president, the Constitution not talks say the person go hold PhD. The Constitution not talks say the person go don't finish all the school. The Constitution talks say even if the person na what they call school sat. Not school sat self, he say or something where they near school sat. Why? No me paper go tell you the tell person what you do for the person head. Now, like I talk, what the person don't do for back. So the person we need or where we need to show us way, like I talked before. Now person where we go don't look say, what will be the person history?
Don't show working.
What he don't do before? When he be local government, what he do? He don't be councillor before, what he do? He don't be governor before, when he did what he do? What will be the result? Now that kind of person will fit talk say, oh, this person no good.
Okay. Thank God say we carry constitution inside the matter, because this question where I want to ask now, it can't get to do with the people then where they reason matter for inside Nigeria to see whether if they fit change or be redo that constitution. Make it suit the situation where we did for inside ground now, because as the thing can be, according to them, when they touchlight the matter, they say it be like say they need to raise the qualification of all these office holders. Now, yes, Barrister Giwa, you don't talk, you not be waiting day paper, but we go completely throw away paper matter, because it gets some people where the things where they do not be show working where everybody they see, but when you look waiting day that paper, you feel look and say, okay, as Femi talk, it be like say this person fits. Find a way. You understand? So I won't ask you, because yes, House of Rep, they received one bill to raise the academic qualification for seats of president, governor, and some other elective public officers. They say they won't raise them to at least university degree or equivalent. And the reason why they talk this one be say, if you the judge really, make we look the normal place where they take the judge who they work and how they work, normal office environment. Say most people where they employ people they put for inside office, not they use those kind low qualifications. So if ordinary office, they find at least a reasonable level of high qualification, why be say the person who they handle matter for the full Nigeria president go they use those low qualifications. So my question to you be say, we need to balance them, or make we just throw away the paper qualification altogether.
Okay, that's now a good question. Now you see, what we need to do, people they look inside. You see, everybody get, the cloth where you want sew for person, go depend on the person's size. So your size no go fit be my size. My size no go be Femi's size.
Agree.
That's not the serious now. All of us Koko different.
I agree,
Barrister Go, I agree.
So now the way Nigeria be, now make them take start say, person will go be president. Now, this social qualification today, the time where they make the constitution for 1999, not be plenty people go to school. The time where the constitution starts from things like 1922, 1923, 1960 constitution, 1990 Republic Constitution, 1979, not be plenty people. You sure that time when they say Shagari be president? Shagari na school start older now, he be teacher. So, but between that time when Shagari be president till now, people don't go school, be PhD. Sure, you get some families, they get plenty people will be PhD. If you go look for work for that family, you don't go see that. Other people don't. So when as the society they develop, they grow, you go come to change the constitution. Say, Kayo, bless. Say, these people don't change. So maybe we change the qualification to something higher. So that one is understandable. So now the thing where the constitution takes start, the way people be for that time, now make you see say they put certificate put. So now when our Nigeria don't they grow, now say you go see students, best way be 20 years old, don't finish university. At 25, you don't. Some people 24, they don't be PhD. So in that kind of country, it is true say you will need to raise the qualification. So put it on paper, say, the person don't get this paper, this primary school paper, secondary school paper, university paper, you can't get the one we pass university plus paper, which be PhD and all of that. So it didn't necessarily say, make we raise them up small, because people who don't get paper for Nigeria don't plenty.
It don't plenty.
And also the work be.
Onto this matter of paper, I want to ask you, yes, you say we need to look the matter again because maybe the people where they go school don't plenty. But we go also look the matter based on the situation where Nigeria don't dey now. compared to where it did then. Because the reason why I ask these questions, now with the enter inside 2023 elections,
yes.
we dey get some people now where they show face, say, okay, oh, be like say, una go vote for me, una go vote for me, and all that. We need to now reason them, not just based on the fact, say, we get more educated people, you know, we fit enter leadership, but also on the issue of the way Nigeria don't dey now. So that as we dey enter inside 2023, when all these organs they come out, because we don't dey hear say, I don't know where my certificates dey, I don't know where my this day, I don't know where my this day. We need to reason am from that point, or we go just allow these organs them enter, because it won't be like saying nah, it don't dey near like that now. Or from APC now, both the organ wey come out plus the person wey be like say won't follow am run as vice. None of their certificates they
even
find.
Okowa will be PDP vice presidential candidate.
That
Some people
one
don't drag and say whether he qualifies. Say, I beg, make a hear word. He said, don't come outside.
Saying certificate loss. Say, but you know, saying pass well. Say, you know, saying pass well, but certificate loss. And now, two person certificate feel lost now. And now, two person. But you see, the major issue is not the paper. The major issue be say, you see, because even people will get paper, don't disappoint us. They are this paper, and that is why you see say the issue of forgery, the plenty. Because why it is good say may we look for the paper. It's also good may we look for
the sense we follow.
The sense we follow the paper.
Okay. Temitope don't follow us. They talk from inside the Kaduna. Carry welcome inside program. It's this better time we will do, sir. Okay, Temitope, we dey hear you from Kaduna. Carry talk, we dey hear you soon.
I'm participating with the issue of these leadership and their qualification. Oh, no, like this country don't get less and worse today. We need better leadership. Let me see who lost at the major things to that. Better qualification no matter. What really matters? What really matters? Right to say who will see lead us well for this country? Every matter. Who will help the youth? Who will help the youth? That will be the major Koko. And how Nigeria will take forward better for the youth? Another thing. The issue of the security is getting to work. That's what we actually need now. Not because they don't need them, but the thing is, who will see efforts to make Nigeria go well? Now, seriously, I watching that program well. Now, what's the efforts there? Because based on the youth now, this guy bigger. Security, no day. I do not state no they secure everywhere now. That's why now they are enter. So no forget about their qualification. I thought we waiting our guest talk. If you look then, the qualification where they get, it don't be like now. So what really matter is who get the experience, who will help the Nigerian well, and waiting with that. So now we just talk about this. Oh, pray may God give us better leadership. Because we use this time around, we are ready to come outside and vote. So let us, we are tired of insecurity.
Now, true you talk.
A lot of things are happening in Nigeria. So God bless you now. Salute you now well.
Thank you, Sister Temitope.
Thank you.
So you see what is Sister Temitope? She even say insecurity, concept example. Make I can't talk the example. You get one time where they say our president as he did, so say as in be general, say Ingo, I mean retired general, say Ingo know how he go do everything go know if he call you go here, come here, you come here, go here. Say all the matter, quick, he go resolve them for into the matter of insecurity. Even him put mouth talk, say, forget insecurity, no be 6 months, at the counter, me now keep mind for grant, we go resolve them. Say we will know this thing. But the 6 months now they turn 7 years.
And we use show work, for that one.
What do you reason? Now on our qualification now, anybody feel qualify past general?
Barrister, give her the laugh.
See, the issue of insecurity for Nigeria and the qualification of our Baba Presido, I think they make me, it don't make me tired.
Even your voice self don't low.
It don't, you know when you just mention security now, I just remember what happened yesterday for Kuje. When I hear him, since not today I hear him, when I come back from court, when they just tell me, my body weak. Even my staff said, they say, Oga, what make your body just change? I say, I can't think, say, if me, we are just the ordinary man like this, my body change. What of people when they concern? People like IG, people like Chief of Army Staff, people like Director of DSS, people like, with these people, how they even feel? Say, all of us there for Abuja here, they say 300, I don't know the number, I never read the news well.
600,
but then as 300.
about 600.
No, 300 people come Kuje, come release 600 people.
Okay, that's one.
In fact, wait. From Anambra State, it be like say, Brother George, you won't follow us even talk onto the matter. Carry welcome. Hey, bros, won't blow us breeze. Don't forget, when you call us, your television, you just need to reduce the volume small so that we go feel hear you well when they call us. So, Brother George, if you still there, may we hear what you want to talk onto the matter. Yes, we hear you, George from Anambra.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, we hear you, Oga.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, I'm calling from Anambra State.
We welcome you, sir. How are your side?
Okay. My contribution be onto the matter about a security issue we will get for Nigeria.
Okay, we don't hear you.
When our president, our military, they capture Boko Haram people, they say they give them rehabilitation. Then after rehabilitation, they can't carry them put for army. What do you expect? How you go, person wey don bad, they don bad. Whether person wey be Boko Haram, he don't get target. If he no execute am, when he be well executor, he go get plan B.
But, Bro George, no forget, say, federal government talk, say, that story no true, say they no carry Boko Haram put for harm you. I don't know whether you read that part.
My brother, na lie. They recruit them. Now waiting make us now, they face many problems inside this security. You know what he said during this, for this present government, now insecurity come too much inside our country.
It get us to be true.
Why security go come compromise? Why would they give them information? How they know say where these people dey? These people know they. Our problem where they be say you don't get these bad people where they inside security. When they work with security people.
Okay.
That's the problem. They don't compromise. That's the problem with Nigerian security. They get now.
Bro George, we hear you well. You talk well. Thank you for your call. Yes, Sumi?
Yes. Well, you know, it gets as the matter go they bite person where they go they try they find solution, and in the process maybe they collect some to read some informate like that. But our own now they try to balance the informate, as you say. Ogbonge government come on, can't talk say the thing not they true. But I think Vanguard newspaper also one of the newspaper on top this Kuje matter. I get one report we come out say it be like say they change the shifts of the soldiers we been there. You know, within I think 24-hour period before the attack.
But they change shifts now.
No, but that one are some of the questions where I say people we don't know the layout of the land. Why in that short period say they can't change the shift? You know, so now all those kind of questions now they bring question, where they bring question. But make we come back to what we talk about, because again we say we look at matter of qualification and how they take affect leadership. Of course, insecurity na the matter where they on top the fire now, so we look at with extra eye, and that get to bring the matter of our commander-in-chief and our Oga, we don't already show working. So again, to balance this matter, because when we ask you, usually your body just weak, everything. But we don't look paper qualification. We say not only in we go use. We don't look show working, and it be like say we need to add to that show working, because it not can really get leg for inside the insecurity matter. But we not go use only our Oga at the top, take judge insecurity matter. Other people too we don't show working, and they help for inside the security. But again, like I say, to balance them, waiting go be the ultimate way of knowing, because one of our callers now don't call say, hey, make we throw away paper qualification, not be by qualification. But how you go really know if some of this show working not see?
And as you want to answer that, because it gets some candidate now where people know they allow anybody hear what now. They will just say, if you know they follow this one, I don't want you anything where they talk, and show working, now you with this. So.
You see, I retire for, you know, at this song, say, I don't, you know, I need the people they call me, say, when they call, say, come talk for this thing, oh, at the tell them, say, I don't want to talk. We don't want to talk put for Nigeria matter again because we don't tire.
No, but we must talk.
You know, because, you see, but it good small, though, because even as insecurity happened for Kujeso, and I know you can say, where President Convoy, they go in place, the same security go attack him.
We talk him.
Now, President Convoy, President team. Now, President Convoy, don't be whether advance or below. Now, in Convoy, not them.
But he never did inside.
But those are presidential convoy. So, now part of the president convoy. Because president convoy, some they go before him, some will come, follow and come. So, now the convoy, we go front. Now, bandits come attack. When I hear and say, I just they laugh with one side. I say, good. Because person we're not doing work well, the thing will come with you. All of us. Let me talk about leadership. Anywhere where you day, for your house, so for your office, so it's good. Make you do your work well. No put sentiment. So this thing about certificate. That is why when they go vote for 2023, when I want to look also, you wait there for TV, you wait there for house, they talk. Just they open your mouth, they talk. It's not me talk alone, no. Make sure, say, you open your eye. Ask yourself, say, among these people where they shout, say they won't be president, who go feed do am? Who get history, say, if he do am? Not me all about certificate, too. They talk about not only certificate, there is certificate. This person sabi. This person where they talk, say, if you do am, you just sure, say, and the thing be, say, not only person where sabi, some people, they really get mind to do this thing. Say they want to solve our insecurity problem. Are they really honest about it? See, Nigeria, everywhere, nowhere is safe again. So nobody, no hiding place where if you attack President advanced convoy, who they know if you attack again? Why? Nigeria never did bad as this before. But now.
It get as it be true. Some people say it bad as it bad. We see there, but it get as it be true into these ones.
I get one question where I want to ask you. On top of this certificate, based on the way Nigeria done day now, it gets some kind people where they show head, say, okay, I won't carry this Nigeria matter put for my head. Just help us reason the thing here with us as we do here. So, who you feel say in terms of qualification it go work? Now, what did they call technocrats or now what did they call politician? They say difference day. Difference day. I bet just to help us the reason that him. Okay, if I say the caller.
Yes, we get caller where they follow join us inside the talk.
The caller don't
okay, you don't work go front.
So in terms of this matter of we don't hear technocrats. They say they don't demonstrate ability in terms of business, they don't demonstrate ability in terms of the place where they should don't put. We they talk about show working now. See, they don't demonstrate, say yes, they sabi the work for inside these things, and they don't put hand for inside some kind of other areas too. And we also get who they call career politicians. Their work now, from local government to this, to that, but they never really touch all the different areas. And we know, say, against 2023, with the reason economy matter, with the reason security matter, with the reason welfare. What do you think about this new talk of technocrats, where they come up as person where maybe fit gets qualification past waiting with they see normally? Sorry, no vex. Just make me just take this caller sharply before you answer that question. But I say they won't follow you touchlight the matter. Okay, Felix, they call us from Karu site for Abuja. We welcome you, Oga Felix.
Okay. Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Oga Felix, you did there. You go try raise your voice more, make we hear you.
Now from back, Oga Felix, they talk. If you use earpiece, don't forget to use your mouth for near phone so that we go hear you. Make your voice they loud. You know, say when you want to collect your money, they hold back. Arrange your voice, maybe they hear what they talk inside this one. Okay, be like Oga Felix say, your voice don't come up. Yes, we they hear you, so. Hello. Okay.
Felix will try call us back. Over to you, Barrister.
Technocrats, politicians.
I don't forget the question.
And all the other
Okay, I think to lead this country, we need somebody, whether, you see, we need why the issue of technocrat na person will be say, he no enter politics because he be politician. He don't do business somewhere. He don't go school for business. He get business where if you show, say, see, I do this thing when I start this work, I start this business. Say, see the business there, the business they do well. I feel manage Nigeria like business, and my business, and the Nigerian business go do well. Now, those people now they call technocrats. Say, they don't just come say that they don't be councillor before. They come make them senator. Because like you talk, you get people for this country. Like, for example, now, the chairman for APC. Go and look at it. He's there. He's the chairman of APC. He don't be councillor. He don't be chairman. He don't be senator. He don't be party chairman. He don't be governor. He don't become governor. Don't enter senator again. Now, they come make a chairman for APC. So those one are politicians.
Okay.
But you get people who be say, they just, now, even when the context, now people call them and say, come.
Can't
do this one.
No, we'll see whether it
and they, where they come from, they do business or they do one work.
They do one work. Okay. Oga Felix, be like say, don't ready now to follow us talking. Carry welcome inside program 8. Hello?
Hello, I'm with you.
Yes. Yeah, arrange talk with us. Will they hear you, sir?
Hello?
Yes, will they hear you, Oga Felix? He remains small, maybe hear us.
Are you hearing me?
Will they hear you for where? They hear you.
Hello?
Will they hear you? It remains small. Okay, so you know, say they explain, say some people they go call them from small abroad or abroad, maybe they can't do this work. We don't did now. It can't be like say Formula 9 they use arrange who go be VP or no be VP. You know, say VP self. Some say we don't see VP, we be like say it won't work, but then your God no allow and work. We don't see VP, we say, thank God say they put me for ticket. I will just did there, and that put 4 years, no stress. We don't see deputy governor too, where him and your guys start work, they quarrel for me do, they constantly they impeach him. They see one example for Oyo State. We see another one for, I don't even remember for nothing. Get one way, they happen for there. And that quarrel, they come up party, you know, come up party, I follow you for back, I don't follow you for back. When they see this kind of quarrel where they happen too. When we look this issue of VP and leadership through the one where they call assistants, where you suppose they help the other person, they ginger, the work go front. If they cause quarrel, I mean, they cause quarrel. Because now this kind of thing, make quarrel no day, now it be like, say, PDP, hold themselves, say, look small before we no go give Wike, maybe we go Okowa. APC, they say, I won't do now, whether na up or na down, whether na north or na south. Labour Party, they say na Friday they go announce their own VP candidates, will carry leadership, but they look region. It matter be no matter where person come from and the kind of skills where they get onto leadership things. I mean, major balance now everybody they look so.
You see why this issue of say where you come from for Nigeria. You should like that's why I tell you just now. Say every cloth where you want to sew it depends on your size. So Nigeria, in a different size with day. Now why people they talk say they look for where you come from. Nobody they look what be the person qualification for this thing where they call VP. Now because they won't vote. Because this thing where we talk, so if you get some part of Nigeria where their votes they plenty. You get some part of Nigeria where we say the people they come out to vote. That is why they tell everybody say this time make everybody ready to come vote. So people come they look for people will go look say okay more bring person will come from this side we vote the plenty so that if they bring the person come from this side, then people go vote for them. Then if the people vote for them, both of us go win. Now they call political calculation. So the people, what did people they look to choose their vice president? Now they look for the political calculation where you come from. So then they too much they look the criteria of the person. So this one, that one, now for politics to make you get vote. Like you talk again. If you don't get your vote where you can't win, where your vice president can't be a person, while two will come on. But for every political party, because political party means say the only thing different between political party and church is be say political party they want to get power. If not so, political party be like church, but political party now people will come together when they can't take power, when they take and rule you. So for you to take power, people go vote for you. So now be say they look for where people get vote, where they fit vote for you. So now they need to look for qualification for VP. They just look for anybody where may not say if he give me vote, may he give us vote, may he win.
He get as this thing be.
The matter get as it be really. But we go specially thank Barrister Victor Giwa, our advocate for people's rights and justice, We thank you, say you don't follow us, sit down, talk like this matter, even though we know say you get a long day, you know say the day drag you go here, drag you go there, but you don't follow us talk, so we say better value to you. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and when I don't hear the matter of waiting with the reason to select our leaders, them, we need to balance them from everything where our guests don't follow us talk, whether na paper or it gets in own side, whether na show work, it gets in own side, and then the matter of political calculation too, that one you're not fit to ream. Okay, now we don't hear as the matter be. Make you close my come out from inside Koko of the matter today. My name is Somi Alegino. Till we see again, it will be.
Better time we don't deal with together. May now join us tomorrow again when we go arrange another time to talk better talk as we did so. Yes, better evening may join you. My name is Femi D. Amele. Thank you.